I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a bank account to your Klarna app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, find the account or settings option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for the payment methods section. This is where you can manage your linked bank accounts and cards. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Tap on Add Bank Account or a similar option. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including the account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap the Save button to finalize the addition. You might see a confirmation message on the screen. If you accidentally enter the wrong account number, you might get an error message when trying to save. Double check your details before hitting save. I hope this helps you set up your bank account in Klarna. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.